Oke, halo teman-teman. Selamat datang di channel Sultan bersama saya Sultan, teman-teman. Ya, setelah sekian lama saya nggak upload, akhirnya saya upload juga, cuy. Waduh. Dan kali ini saya akan bermain game yang berjudul Firewatch, teman-teman. Dan ya, seperti yang kalian tahu, teman-teman, ini adalah nge-crack, coy. Waduh, ini game bajakan, coy, saya. Katakan. Tapi nggak apa-apa lah ya, teman-teman. Kita cobain aja langsung, teman-teman, tanpa banyak basa-basi lagi. Oh ya, teman-teman, sebelumnya saya sudah pernah main ini, teman-teman, cuman sebentar aja, tapi cuman awalannya aja kalau nggak salah, teman-teman, pas bulan Maret kemarin, coy. Waduh, 1 bulan yang lalu, teman-teman. Lama. Oke lah, kita buat game baru lah. 1 bulan yang lalu saya cuma nyoba-nyoba aja ya, teman-teman. Saya nyoba-nyoba main, kan ya lumayan lancar lah untuk saya mainkan, teman-teman. Akhirnya saya memutuskan untuk record, coy. Oke lah, langsung saja, langsung new game, coy. Kita akan mencoba menikmati game Firewatch ini, teman-teman, karena ini adalah game story, teman-teman. Kampus Santo Prison, anjay. Boulder, Colorado, 1975. Waduh, sudah tuwir, coy. 1975, teman-teman. UC Julia. Oke, kita melihat Julia, teman-teman. She's about your age, late 20, laughing with well-dressed professor and glad student from nearby CU Boulder. You, Henry, are out drinking with your pals. Oh, kita bertemu perempuan, teman-teman, yang seusia kita, coy. Di usia akhir 20-an, teman-teman. Oh, kita mabuk, teman-teman. You are drunk, katanya. Dan kita melihat dia saat kita keadaan mabuk, coy. Kita jawab you are pretty. Kita langsung puji dia, teman-teman, karena kita dalam keadaan gak sadar, teman-teman. You are pretty, she says coolly. You are not, you are of future hangover. What you reply? Confused. Kita kebingungan. Wanjay. Someone sold by you cheeseburger, she says. Anjay. Reply on a waiter in 1 week later you are. Anjay, kita langsung jadian, teman-teman. Hanya dalam seminggu aja, coy. Waduh. Wih. Waduh, kita sudah main, teman-teman. Alamat RT atau gimana? Oke, kita ngambil tasnya, terus anjay, kita harus kemana, teman-teman? Nggak ada pengarahannya, coy. Dulu. Kita kemana, teman-teman? Alamak. Tutup. Berarti memang harus ke sini, teman-teman. Kita harus ke mobil tadi, coy. Waduh. Loot gear. Oke. You did for over a year. She drive you absolutely nuts. It's great. You moving? You share an apartment near the school with a view of the mountains. You do drink beers out on the deck. You drink beer just about anywhere. Life is good. Anjay, kita menikmati masa-masa bahagia kita dengan si Julia, teman-teman. Julia want to get a dog. There's a scruffy undersized beagle. Julia is in love. She wants to bring it with her to class. There's also an intimidating but gentle-eyed German Shepherd. Nothing bad could happen to Julia while walking this dog. It's badass. Anjay, kita ambil Kita ambil yang seperti ini aja teman-teman. Nothing bad could happen katanya teman-teman. Kita ada hal buruk yang akan terjadi coy. Ada Julia, let's go. Mayhem, an excellent dog. We love wrestling with you in the park and quest with Julia on her runs. Even though he's stupid to bring to school, Julia love him all the same. Anjay, Julia tetap mencintainya teman-teman, meskipun itu bukan anjing yang dia pinginkan coy. Mayhem is a friend, child and pet and roll into one. Anjay, anjing itu adalah teman kita, anak kita, dan peliharaan kita katanya teman-teman. Adalah teman, anak, dan peliharaan bagi tokoh utama ini coy. Oke, woi, kenapa kok nggak bisa nge-crash ya? Anjay, harus pakai mouse. Woi, nggak bisa coy. Oh bisa. Kids, they are not very smart or good at maths. I'm saying if you and I have some, a couple little idiots. Anjay, kita diajak punya anak tapi kita nggak mau coy. Anjay. Kita that would be pretty good teman-teman. Langsung kasih lah punya anak coy kita. In that case, we should probably get married. Yeah, I would like that, you say. These kids are going to be grow up now. It's probably for the best that their parents are hit. You say this absolutely right. Oke. Wanjay. Cerita tadi adalah kenangan kita teman-teman. Very trailhead. It's a Thursday night and Julia is 4 hours late. She doesn't call you worried and getting angry by the minute. Jadi si Julia 4 jam lebih telat teman-teman katanya. Dia tidak telepon atau apapun teman-teman, yang membuat kita khawatir teman-teman, dan akhirnya membuat kita sedikit marah teman-teman. She walked in after you've gone to bed, dan dia datang setelah kita udah tertidur teman-teman. She's not quite drunk, but she's clearly been having a fun time. You fight when she gets between the seat. Kita marah atau kita mendiamkan dia? Kita mendiamkan dia teman-teman. You ignore her. Kita mengabaikannya teman-teman. We don't touch each other all night. The next day you feel guilty for being so angry and ask her about her evening. She says it was great. You hold on to a tiny pill of resentment. You make some coffee and go to work. Kita membuat kopi dan kerja teman-teman. Manjai. Laki-laki tidak bercerita teman-teman ini, tapi langsung membuat kopi lalu berangkat kerja. Anjay, masuk kata-kata hari ini. Julia still likes to draw. She draw plans from her research. She draw all the place you go. She draws you. Anjay, dia menggambar kita teman-teman. Julia suka menggambar teman-teman. Dia menggambar tanaman yang dia pelajari. Dia menggambar tempat-tempat kita pergi, dan juga dia menggambar kita teman-teman. Alamak. Euphoric, kita jawabnya euphoric like a Victoria's Secret model. Anjay. Julia was right, you were very pretty. Anjay. Pemandangannya sangat bagus teman-teman. 1982. During the summers, you and Julia enjoy walking my home at night. There's a festival in town. It bringing folks from faraway place. One of them tries to mug you with a knife. Anjay, kita ketemu jambret teman-teman, ketemu begal coy yang membawa pisau teman-teman. Mayhem runs away. Wah anjay, Mayhem tambah lari teman-teman. You scare him away. Kita takut-takutin aja teman-teman. Kita menghadapi si penyerang. Lalu apa yang akan kita lakukan? Apakah kita akan langsung memukul wajahnya atau kita akan menakutinya teman-teman? Dan karena dia bawa pisau, kita akan mencoba menakutinya dulu coy. Jangan langsung dipukul teman-teman. Nanti kita ketancap pisau teman-teman. Waduh. You reach into your pocket like you've got a gun and threaten to kill him. You manage to scare all three of you. He runs away. Anjay, dia beneran takut teman-teman. Julia asks to take a different path from that day forward. You say okay, you don't want to go that way either. From then on, you walk by the river. Setelah itu kita akhirnya lewat sungai teman-teman. 1984. Plans to have kids get really by walk. Anjay, kita jadi nggak jadi punya anak teman-teman. Rencana kita untuk punya anak akhirnya terlupakan teman-teman karena pekerjaan. Julia gets offer a job at Yale. Yale is a Connecticut 2000 miles away. Wah anjay, 2000 miles teman-teman. It's a great job. Associate department chair, she want to move. You absolutely do not. Dia ingin pindah ke tempat kerjanya teman-teman yang jauh 2000 miles dari kita coy. Dan kita tentu saja tidak ingin teman-teman. Apaan itu LDR coy? Waduh. Kita jawab confess not to take a job teman-teman. Kita nggak ingin dia mengambil pekerjaan itu teman-teman. Saya nggak bisa LDR coy. You tell her that this means you two won't have a family. She says that's bullshit. She's totally right. Loh, kok dia bener teman-teman? Saya ask if her taking the job means you won't come with her. You say yes again. Bullshit. Wah anjay. Apakah kita jadi salah teman-teman? Kok jadi salah kita teman-teman? Apakah seharusnya tadi kita jawab yang kanan teman-teman? Julia is asked to leave Boulder on paid leave after having an episode. She lost it on a college for borrowing books that were important to her research. She didn't remember she had heavily loaned them to him just 2 days prior. She was found crying in the stairwell. Loh, kenapa dia menangis teman-teman? Talk to someone lah, ngapain? Kita akan hadapi masalah kita sendirian teman-teman. Nggak perlu bilang kepada orang lain coy. Nggak perlu bicara kepada orang lain teman-teman. It works saja, ini berhasil. We watch Dallas on TV and sleep together on the couch. Kita menonton Dallas di TV dan tidur bersama di sofa teman-teman. Manjay, jorok banget coy. Apakah itu kita teman-teman? Jorok banget sih. Bajigur. Mayhem is getting older. His got silver hair down his back and slow down at night. You and Julia walk him to the bar to see your friend, and it feels like nothing has changed. Julia goes back to the university. Julia's affliction gets worse. She can remember things in class. Her research is in shambles. She drives her car to the next town over for no particular reason and has to be brought home by the police. She is devastated. Oh, apakah dia sakit teman-teman? Dia sakit teman-teman, si Julia, anjay. She sent home on permanent medical leave. Anjay. Someday you get the Julia who calls you a dog and your unborn children little idiots. Other day you get stranger. She pulls you into bed to make love. After 5 minutes she goes into a panic believing her dad is at the door. Oh, apakah dia punya ini teman-teman? Schizophrenia coy. You tell her family. They are crushed and begin to make trips to and from their home in Australia to visit her. For a while, your friend comes stop by with little thing to brighten the day. She gets worse aja. Dan semakin parah dan semakin parah lagi teman-teman. 1988. You spend your days following Julia around the house. You count the second between the two weekly visits from Daniels, the nurse. He suggests that Julia could live somewhere else, somewhere with 24-hour care, a home. It's it with you for a couple months. Apakah kita akan tetap mengeyel untuk merawat Julia sendirian atau dibawa ke full time care facility teman-teman? Kalau saya ada di posisi MC-nya, saya akan menaruh di full time care facility teman-teman. Full time care facility, kita akan terus mengunjunginya setiap hari teman-teman, dan membiarkan Julia dirawat oleh orang ahlinya teman-teman. Anjay, apa yang terjadi dengan si Julia coy? Kenapa cerita ini tiba-tiba menjadi sedih teman-teman? Bajigur. Ada rusa. Our family agrees with your decision. We find a fantastic place in Boulder and move her there. You see her every day. Ya benar ini teman-teman. Kita mengunjungi dia setiap hari teman-teman. Then every other day. Dan setiap hari. You go out to the bar with your old friend. It's not the same. You get the feeling that every wife tells her husband, if you ever put me in a home like Henry did, I will cut your pal off. You slowly decide to not see your old friend that much. Julia's 1989. Julia's sister Susan moved to Boulder to be close to her. She visits her every day. You go with her some of the time. Susan buys you an old typewriter and urges you to use it if you want to see the therapist you want. You always really like Susan. Kenapa kita selalu menyukai Susan teman-teman? Months go by, my home dies. Anjay, anjing kita mati coy. Julia doesn't remember him when you tell her. Dan Julia lupa kepada kita teman-teman. Alamak, kok sedih sekali teman-teman. Sometimes it takes her a minute to log in on you. In the back of your mind, you believe it's because you see her less and less, and seeing her less and less make her forget you more fleeting. Anjay, si Julia tidak ingat kita teman-teman. Dan terkadang membutuhkan waktu untuk membuat dia mengingat kita coy. Dan kita berpikiran itu mungkin karena kita semakin jarang mengunjunginya teman-teman. Summer is coming and you see an ad in the paper for a job. You take it. Enter the lookout tower. Oh, terus itulah akhirnya kita mungkin memutuskan untuk mengambil pekerjaan ini, teman-teman. Menjadi penjaga tower coy, Firewatch, anjay.
Hello, Two Forks Tower.
Ada yang ngajak ngobrol coy. Laptop. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
This is?
Whoever is this?
It's Henry, right?
Yeah.
I'm Delilah.
Yeah, that's what the guy said on the phone.
So, what's wrong with you?
Excuse me?
People take this job to get away from something. So, what's wrong?
What's wrong with you?
That's a great idea. Go ahead.
Look, I just hiked for 2 days, so I don't really follow whatever it is you're doing right now.
You take a stab at what's wrong with me.
Fine, then can I sleep forever?
Sure, buddy. Okay, now go ahead.
Kita nggak usah menjawabnya, teman-teman. Karena jawabannya kasar semua,
You just gonna
anjay.
me out on this? Ugh, fine. But I'm gonna take a second here and have a guess about you. Let's see. I don't know anything about you. I say you got fired from your job and have finally decided to write your novel. That's the sort of bullshit reason you'll find a man out in the woods.
Good night.
Welcome to the job.
Anjay. Kita jadi orang yang cuek, teman-teman. Waduh. Apakah itu hal baik, teman-teman? Day 1, hari pertama coy. Kita menjadi seorang Firewatch coy. Let's go.
Good morning, Henry. Well, I guess good afternoon. You probably slept like a rock. Anyway, there's still a few hours of daylight to get some work in. I can see you at your desk, so call me when you're ready.
Kita ambil, teman-teman. Kita jawabin dia, teman-teman. Karena dia yang mungkin akan menjadi teman kita, teman-teman.
Hey, sorry, guess I slept in.
You got a relaxing, 14 hours of sleep? Whew.
Yeah, Jesus, I guess it's what, 6?
6:45.
Whoops.
Don't worry about it. That hike puts everyone out of commission for a day or two. But now that you're up, let me quickly get you acquainted with the job. There's a thing in the middle of your room with a round map on it. Do you see it?
Yes. Ini, teman-teman.
Okay, yeah, I see it.
This is the Osborne Firefinder, invented in 1914 by W.B.
Osborne?
You use this to spot, you guessed it, What the fuck?
What is it?
Nothing. You use this to... Oh, fuck me!
Good God, language, lady.
West-facing window. Are you seeing what I'm seeing?
Mana?
Are those fucking fireworks?
Yes, kompas. Gimana cara pakai kompas? West. West arah ke sini, teman-teman.
I need you to confirm. Do you see them?
Wih, mana dah? Oh, ada fireworks, teman-teman. Beneran, coy. Gimana caranya?
Seriously, are you seeing this?
Whoa, that's not legal, right?
No. You need to get down there right now and stop them. Fire danger is through the fucking roof.
Is that really my job?
Your job is whatever I say it is. Look, the closest ranger is like 2 days away. Go down there and set him straight.
Oke.
Do you think you can handle that?
Like kick the shit out of them. Apakah kita akan mengajar dia?
Like, kick the shit out of him sort of straight?
No. Jesus, no.
What? I'm not a cop. It's not like I've got a rule book over here.
Just make sure they don't do it again. Take their shit.
Alright, fine.
Don't feed anyone a knuckle sandwich. Get going. You'll probably need a rope to get down the shale between you and the lake, if I remember right. There should be one in the supply box on the way. The code is 1234. It's actually that for all of them.
Oke. Secure.
Shut up.
Oke, apakah kita disuruh tidur? Ya, disuruh tidur. Kan kita disuruh ke bawah, coy. What is this? Supplies. Apakah kita disuruh? Ini apa? Pinecone. Oh iya, teman-teman, kita disuruh ke bawah, coy. Oh, kita akan langsung membawa tas kita, coy. Oke lah, let's go. Kita akan segera turun ke arah barat, teman-teman. Find rope in NFS Gates Box 306. Oke, kita ikutin jalur ini aja, teman-teman, dan mengarah ke barat, teman-teman. Dia nggak jatuh, coy. Nanti kita tersesat, teman-teman. Lama. Jadi kita akan mengikuti jalan setapak ini aja, coy. Wanjai, kemana, teman-teman? Lama masa ke sini? Ke sini mungkin. Ini mungkin, teman-teman. Passwordnya 1234 katanya. Anjay, ini ada map. Copy information, teman-teman. Ada note. Kita hold. Kita simpan catatannya, teman-teman. Kita ambil tali. Pinecone buat apa, coy? Alamak. Kita ambil ini, teman-teman, buat sarapan, coy. Terus sama kita ambil pinecone. Nah, anjay, bisa dipantau, teman-teman. Alamak. Apa nih? Laptop. Ceprot. Bisa dilempar, coy. Oke, kita lanjut lagi. Waduh, kemana, teman-teman? Tersesat, coy. Oh, ke sini. Di sini, coy, guys. Kita akan terus ke arah barat, teman-teman. Mengikuti jalan yang sudah ada, teman-teman. Itu adalah salah satu aturan teman-teman, di alam liar, coy. Nah, bisa lari. Oh, bisa lari, teman-teman. Jalannya kok hilang? Bener kan? Bener, teman-teman. Ke sini, coy. Ada suara nafas beruang, teman-teman. Suara meriamnya, suara petasannya mirip kayak suara nafas beruang, coy. Mengerikan. Wih, itu mana-mana. Itu, coy. Kita akan menghajar siapapun itu, teman-teman. Wih,
No!
wah coy, kita jatuh coy.
Hey,
What the hell's wrong with you?
my rope snapped coming down the shale slide.
You didn't break anything, did you?
No, I think I'll make it.
Well, be careful for Christ's sake.
Waduh, di mana teman-teman? Jalannya kita tersesat coy. Oh, ke sini ke sini. Ke barat, ke arah matahari terbenam coy. Benar ke sini kan? Waduh, nggak bisa lewat coy. Salah teman-teman. Bajigur. Berarti ke sini. Oh, ini teman-teman.
They left half a bottle of whiskey. Decent stuff.
The idiots down at the lake?
Yeah, them. I just found where they're hanging out. Oh, look, they decided to have a campfire, too.
You know, they color-coded the fire danger signs in case people were illiterate. But I guess that doesn't take into account just plain stupid, does it?
They left their packs tied up here.
Don't fuck with them. The last thing we need is some hikers filing a report about harassment.
Found the fireworks. They didn't even try to hide them.
Ugh. Well, confiscate them.
Finding a bunch of empty beer cans. They threw them all over hell.
Are you fucking serious?
Yeah, sure am.
I would like to retract my statement about knuckle sandwiches. Feet away.
Wah, guys, two pair of clothes. Dua pasang pakaian teman-teman. Report
They left their
clothes.
clothes out to dry. It looks like two people. What if they're naked?
Won't that be exciting? Look, they're obviously still there, so tell them off and then head back.
Anjay. Ada apa ini teman-teman? Alamak. Kita laporkan teman-teman.
A nudie pyromaniac. Remain professional.
Bajigur.
There are panties.
They are what?
I don't want to say that word again.
Why, because you're 12?
There's a. Ooh,
Yes?
nothing. Forget it.
If you say so.
Hey, you fucking kids!
Hey, you fucking fatso! Leave us alone!
you gotta take it easy with the fireworks, all right?
You ought to take it easy at the Sizzler buffet. Chelsea. What? He's just some loser out in the woods. I mean, he's grody. Why do
Anjay,
guys think
kita
it's okay
disalah-salahkan
to
coy.
girls?
Alamak. Kita jawab I'm sorry for bothering you dong.
Sorry for bothering you. Can you just knock it off, please?
Kita akan bicara dengan baik-baik teman-teman.
This is a free country, and we should be free to do whatever we want.
And free from any peeping toms.
I said sorry.
Oh my God, is that what you are? Barf me out.
Ew. Can we just get out of here?
Ew, totally.
You're gross.
You're just some sad man out in the woods.
Anjay, kita malah dikata-katain teman-teman. Bajigur, bajigur.
Hey, that go okay?
Anjay, it went fine. Kita
It
bilang
fine. Hopefully there won't be any more trouble.
Good. Thanks for going down there.
tadi kita ke arah barat, sekarang kita akan ke arah timur teman-teman. Timur barat ya. Kita akan ke timur teman-teman. Ke east ini teman-teman. Kita harus mencari report Mido. Mido apa coy?
Wow, there's a big rock outcropping down here near the lake. It's really something.
Yeah, makes for good camping. There used to be a group of guys who would boulder out there a couple times a year.
What happened to him?
Dunno, just stopped coming out.
Hey, I'm back near that big rock outcropping, but not sure how to get back.
I'd head west, back towards the lake, and then turn north towards the canyon.
Kita akan ke north. North east. Oh, kita harus kembali teman-teman. Bajigur. Kemana teman-teman? Ke sini mungkin kata dia. Ini ke east coy. Bener ke sini mungkin ya teman-teman. Canyon itu lembah kalau nggak salah. Wah, bisa kita naik. Wadidaw, nggak bisa coy. Manjay, nggak bisa teman-teman. Kita akan ke arah east saja teman-teman. Kita harus turun ke lembah ini. Iya kan? Harus turun. Enggak teman-teman, mati coy. Kita turun ke sini anjay. Bukan coy. Ke sini terus ke north katanya. North itu ini southwest. North ke sini coy. Waduh. Bener kah? Kita ke arah sini teman-teman. Ini west. Kita harusnya ke east teman-teman. Tapi nggak bisa loh. Gimana? Bakal lewat sini. Bukan teman-teman, ini kita balik lagi ke tempat tadi coy. Kita akan ke north aja wes. Kita tersesat.
Okay, so from these rocks, where do I go again?
Go back towards the lake, turn north, and east through the canyon. There should be a trail at the far east side of it.
Kita akan ke north teman-teman.
Pears, pears, pears! Yes!
Wih, apa coy?
Is this some sort of code I missed? Are we evacuating or something?
No.
Then what then?
I'm doing a crossword and I figured out the theme. It's homonyms. Pears, pears, pears. The clue was couples peeling fruit. Anyway, hope you're having a good afternoon.
Thanks.
North kan betul kan di sini teman-teman. Terus kita harus lewat mana? Kalau kita masih harus ke sininya lagi. Anjay, kita tersesat coy. Kita tersesat coy. Gimana ini? Alamak. Kakak harus lompat. Gak bisa lompat teman-teman. Berarti bukan di sini teman-teman. Oke, kita akan ke arah sini. Terus ke arah north. Adakah jalan? Iya teman-teman, kita ke sini coy. Manjai. Nah, kita ke arah sini, tapi kita jalan ke sebelah north ini teman-teman. Nah, kita jalannya ke sini coy. Itu tempat yang anak-anak kecil berenang itu tadi teman-teman. Kita lari, kita jalannya ke sini. Nah, terus dari sini kita jalan ke utara gitu teman-teman. Lama sulitnya. Oke, kita sudah tahu jalannya teman-teman. Kita ke sini, kita buka kompasnya aja teman-teman, biar bisa sambil lompat coy. Nah, ke arah utara. Wih, bisa zoom teman-teman.
So, I have a bit of a confession to make.
What is it?
Look, I was drunk last night when I welcomed you to the job.
Yeah, well, you're not the first boss to be guilty of that.
I know, I know I can get a little pushy, putting you on the spot about why you're out here and stuff.
It's fine.
I'll keep that sort of a thing to a minimum. Anyway, let me know when you get back to your lookout.
Wih, manjay. Apa tuh? Report thunder teman-teman.
Hey, I heard some thunder.
Yeah, I've got eyes on a storm out to the north.
Well, that's bad, right? Because of the lightning?
It just means we'll be busy. Hurry home and try not to get hit by lightning.
Yeah, I'm not sure I got a lot of choice when I struck down.
Especially not with your electric personality.
Ugh.
I see my joke did not spark your sense of humor.
Ugh.
You're not enjoying our current conversation?
Oh my god, lady.
The arc of our budding friendship.
Oh, I'm just gonna let her have that one.
Kita ambil persediaan lagi coy. Kita ambil mapnya. Kita update map. Ada flashlight, kita ambil. Langsung baterainya habis. Ada ding. Manjay. Dan kita juga dapat tanduk teman-teman. Jangan dibawa teman-teman. Buat apa coy? Bisa disimpan lah. Kita bawain aja teman-teman.
There's a horn or an antler.
Ini apa coy?
Well, antlers are made of bone, and horns are made of the same stuff as your fingernails.
I guess this is a bone.
Antler. A ranger must have found it this spring.
What's in this cave down here?
In Thunder Canyon?
Thunder Canyon?
Hey, I didn't name it. But in the cave, I don't know, rocks? NFS tells people not to go too far in there. It's pretty dangerous.
So,
So I say, fuck it. You're a grown man, you can go where you want.
right. Used to go caving with someone back in Colorado. She loved it. Might be great to explore it sometime this summer.
Well, that could be fun. Obviously, be very careful.
It doesn't seem that dangerous. Whoa, whoa! Oh, no!
Henry!
Seriously, it's completely fine in here.
God damn it.
Wah, kita akan masuk teman. Masuk coy. Right. Bisa teman-teman.
Hello?
Anjay, kita masuk ke gua teman-teman. Alamak, apakah ini aman?
This cave is gated off.
It's to stop spelunkers from dying without getting the keys from the Forest Service office first.
Makes sense.
Although Debbie says she lost them like 3 years ago, so maybe its mysteries are locked away for good.
Ah, damn.
Yeah, but maybe you can find another one to get your caving kicks in.
Oh, this one's so close to home and convenient, though.
Aw, sorry, Hank.
Alamak.
There's some guy out here.
Some guy? Wait, he's looking at you? Is he doing anything else?
I don't think so.
Henry, there's something someone should have told you about this area.
What is it?
It's outside.
Come on.
The whole thing. And people come and go as they please. It's madness.
Yeah, okay, I get it.
Look, bumping into someone in the middle of nowhere is part of the fun.
Waduh, siapa yang kita temui teman-teman? Kita akan samperin orang itu teman-teman. Kita jadi pemanjat teman-teman, pemanjat tebing coy. Waduh, anjay, kita kemana teman-teman?
Well, that trail isn't closed anymore.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I took care of the blocked path. It was backbreaking, but, you know, anything for the service.
Well, thank you.
Anytime.
Wih, kita ketemu apa ini teman-teman?
So it's just the outhouse then, in terms of going to the bathroom?
You're a man, Henry. You can go wherever you want. Well, number one at least. And, full disclosure, I pee wherever I want as well.
So this generator is all the power I've got out here.
Yep, it doesn't go through much gas, and, well, you don't have much in the way of electronics, so...
What about my hairdryer?
Oh, I'm sorry. You might just have to make peace with frizzy locks.
I could never. I like the outhouse in that rustic, I'm roughing it sort of way.
Yeah, it's a little privacy among the seemingly endless expanse of, well, privacy.
I like it all the same.
Apakah kita outlook house kita, teman-teman? Wih, tuh rumah kita dihancurin, teman-teman.
Someone broke in.
Hey, what?
They wrecked the place. Threw my typewriter out the window. Motherfucker.
Holy shit. I'll let the Forest Service know what happened.
I'm gonna have to fix the window.
Tomorrow, Henry, you won't be cold. Okay, I put in a call.
Okay, thanks.
Do you have any idea who would have done this?
Maybe that guy I saw in the canyon, but I don't know why the fuck he'd want to mess with my stuff.
Well, I'll have the Rangers keep an eye out for a man hiking on his own and question him if they find him. I can't believe someone would do
Wah,
this.
Jay,
I worry
rumah
about
kita
bears
dihancurin,
and
teman-teman.
fires, and that's about it. And now I've got to worry about some deranged hiker going after lookouts? Great. Okay, in the morning I'm gonna call my friend Patty, who works the desk down in Cody. They keep a list of everyone who's officially been in and out of the trailhead since, I don't know, forever, and see if we can get a list of names. We won't get much, but at least if anything else happens, we can refer to it and see if anything comes up.
Thanks.
Wah, Jay, ini pekerjaan yang sangat berbahaya, teman-teman.
Just point me to the Forest Service weapons cache and I'll feel safer than the Pope in his little car.
Yeah, someone made the choice years ago that leaving people with infinite amounts of alone time and a gun was kind of a bad idea.
Grenades?
I'll see what I can do.
Wih, kita lanjut ke hari kedua, teman-teman. Hari pertama kita keluar dari lookout camp kita, dan saat kita kembali lookout camp kita telah diserang, teman-teman. Wanjay, siapakah pelakunya, teman-teman?
Wake up! Hey, wake up!
I'm awake. What's your problem?
Our problem.
Sorry, our problem.
That storm knocked out the phone line I used to talk to the service, which means we're cut off. I tried radioing out, and that's not working either. I don't really know why that would be the case.
Should I be worried?
About what?
We can't get help if we need it.
Oh, you're tough, Hank. You don't seem like the guy who likes to ask for help.
Sure.
What I need you to do, though, is hike out to where the wire runs through your area and report back if it's down. Then I can track down a ranger to get someone on it.
Okay, I can do that. Where is it?
Remember that cave you hiked through yesterday?
Yeah, of course.
So you're gonna want to go back there, go through it, and keep going straight to the north when you come out.
Will do.
Thanks, Hank.
It's Henry.
What, you don't like Hank?
Yeah, I don't like Hank.
But thanks rhymes with Hank.
No, it doesn't.
Okay,
Hmm.
alright.
Anjay, kita akan ke cave lagi teman-teman. Tapi mungkin untuk hari ini kita cukup untuk D1 aja teman-teman. Karena ini durasinya mungkin sudah terlalu lama juga coy. Waduh. Tapi overall game ini sangat seru coy. Storynya sangat menarik teman-teman. Saya jadi penasaran teman-teman. Tapi sayangnya saya sudah ngantuk coy. Waduh, ini tengah malam teman-teman. Alamak. Okelah teman-teman, mungkin saya akhiri sampai di sini saja teman-teman. Dan ya, terima kasih banyak untuk kalian yang sudah menonton teman-teman. Sudah menemani saya bermain game ini coy. Di waktu saya yang sangat sedikit ini coy. Waduh, saya mohon maaf teman-teman. Karena masih belum bisa memberikan kualitas video yang bagus teman-teman. Dan ya, saya mohon maaf teman-teman. Dan semoga saja kedepannya saya bisa menjadi lebih baik lagi teman-teman. Dari segi kualitas game yang saya mainkan, kualitas grafik yang saya perlihatkan, dan juga dari kualitas video yang saya sajikan teman-teman. Anjay. Oke lah teman-teman, terima kasih banyak untuk yang sudah menonton teman-teman. Ya, mungkin video ini akan saya akhiri di sini. Terima kasih banyak dan sampai jumpa teman-teman. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya coy.